Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in reliable inputs. Set DPI to a known range, choose a stable polling rate, and remove wrist tension so movements are consistent. Once done, perform a 30 to 60 second aim test and record it. This gives you a measurable baseline to compare. Make sure to use the same map or scenario each time so differences are real. You will now correct the largest influence on shake, ergonomics, and raw input before adjusting software or technique. You shift focus to movement and filtering. Use combined wrist and arm motions for smooth, predictable arcs. This reduces micro-tremor amplification. Then apply mild in-game smoothing or sensor filtering if available. Start low and increase until shake lessens without input lag. Once done, run dedicated 5-minute controlled tracking drills. Follow slow-moving targets, then faster ones. Make sure to vary distance and speed so your nervous system adapts, and record each session to watch consistent improvement. You finalize by iterating. Compare your baseline recording to the latest and adjust DPI or smoothing in 10% steps until aim steadies. Once done, validate changes across multiple scenarios to avoid overfitting to one target. Make sure to eliminate hardware faults, swap mouse, cable, or USB port, and rerun tests. If shake persists, troubleshoot lifestyle factors, rest, hydration, and stress. If problems continue, consult a clinician for underlying tremor causes, because technique and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.